Today's video I'm gonna be putting on eyelashes for the first time by myself. Now, I've worn eyelashes before, but they were done at the nail shop by the Asian people. So I'm about to try to do it myself. Now, I've never done it myself, but I'm about to try. I got the eyelash glue. I got some eyelashes that I just had sitting in my house because I always want to try eyelashes. Look, okay, look, okay. Some of them are gone because I actually gave away some of them because I don't wear them. So it's like, I got them because I want to try them, but I can't wear them because I don't know how to put them on. But I'm going to try to put them on today the right way. Actually try on camera for you guys. So we got the eyelashes, we got the glue, we got the tweezers. Okay, I've watched plenty of tutorials. Your girl should have this in the bag, okay? This glue is a hot mess because people have, like I said, I let people wear my lashes so they use this glue because, I mean, I won't use this, so I ain't care. But I'm like, I'm gonna do a video of me trying to put on eyelashes because I never do. So you're gonna need a mirror. I'm gonna show you guys my mirror. This is my mirror right here. It's just a simple mirror. And I got these tweezers. And I have these eyelashes. Now I got these eyelashes when I went to, I don't know if it was Ross or Marshall's because y'all, to me, Marshalls and Ross seem like the same dang thing. It might have been Marshalls. I don't know. I don't know. Just look. And this is the lash glue, which is Kiss strip adhesive lash glue. I don't know if y'all can see it like that, but this is it. So look, got a little sticky stuff on it because, like I said, I let other people use it because I don't know how to use it, so I ain't care. As far as like my eyelashes, what I do for my eyelashes, I don't wear makeup at all because not only do I know how to do it, it's just I don't know how to do it. Okay, but as far as eyelashes, I do wear mascara because it's easy. But I do know that you're supposed to put mascara on when you put on lashes, but mascara is too messy. It makes a mess. So right now I'm just opening the tweezers. Oh, snap. This year is gonna be a beautiful year and many more to come. So these are how the tweezers look. They're a little bit curved, but your girl gonna work with them, okay? I'm gonna take this mirror and you want to peel off the eyelashes you're gonna put on. So basically it's like this. This is how this one goes on this eye and this one goes on that one. So you're just gonna peel it off like so. And I think sometimes eyelashes are a little bit longer than your actual eye. So you have to like trim them. Like when I got my eyelashes put on by the shop or salon, whatever you wanna call it, whoever do your nails, they actually had to trim it so it fit my eye. So basically you just put it to your eyelash and see if like, hold on, wait a minute, to see if it'll fit. They're a little bit sticky because they had like some type of adhesive holding them on to the, so I could tell already that this is gonna fit. I'm hold it like that. The strip lash adhesive, and I'm gonna put it on the strip. Now, I know it's a lot of people that don't know how to put on eyelashes because believe me, baby, I don't. I know it's a lot of people that don't know how to put on eyelashes themselves because a lot of my friends who wear eyelashes, like, I'll be like, did you put them on yourself? Because I cannot do it for nothing. And they're like, no, the shop did it. So it's like, I'm going to do this so it can be like, if I do it right, I can last this tutorial. But it's really my first time. I don't know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a little bit. I don't even know how long I should wait. Do it tell you on here? Nope. I think it says it on the pack, but get a little bit. I'm gonna get close so y'all can see me. My skin, I did a skincare routine video the other day, and my skin is looking good. It's bouncing right back from now. I'm so serious. Check it out, y'all. Check it out, okay? Enough, it should be. I'm just gonna place it. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. I mean, I suck at this. I want y'all to be able to see. Okay, it's a little bit better with the fingers. Snap. Wait a minute. Okay. Pick the tweezers. Wow. It's a little bit lifted right here, but shoot, we gon' say it's some, okay? Another reason why I don't wear lashes like that is because my dad, I don't know if I'm the only one, but I have those dads who like, they feel like you shouldn't wear no makeup at all. Like if he see me with anything on, he gonna be like, he'll say like, okay, say if I put something on, like when I got my lashes done, he'll be like, what's all that stuff on your face? And I'll be like, all that stuff, what's on my face? And I'll go in the bathroom and I'll look, and it's just the lashes that I got done by the shop. And I'm like, all I got on is my lashes. And he like, exactly. You got all that stuff on your face. You want to spend your money on that? Like, he don't like that at all. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I ain't going nowhere, so I ain't trying to look special, you know what I'm saying? But now I look like 32 flavors of that bootylicious bubble gum, raspberry. You know what I'm saying? I look good, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take the other one off. Ma'am, can you not do this right now? Like I was saying, y'all, you know, I just really feel great about this year. Like, God has just been blessing me, you know what I'm saying? Baby, if you ain't talked to God in a while, go talk to him, okay? Do that, do that. God to get you right, girl. God to get you right. Okay, the Lord himself will get you right, okay? But like I was saying, God has he's just been doing so much for me, and I thank him. I gotta thank him. It's all his plan, it's all his job, it's all his work. But I got a lot of great things that I look forward to this year and the years to come. Oh, I look like a baddie. I look like a baddie. You know that I'm classy. Still get nasty. I just make I just make that up. So I'm just gonna let this dry a little bit. I don't even know I got these tweezers and I just couldn't get them on with the tweezers. Am I gonna be wearing lashes again? I honestly don't know. I mean, I should. I don't know. I'm just letting it get a little tacky. Let me see if I can I zoom? Nope, I can't zoom in on the front camera. I hope everybody out there is doing marvelous. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys are wonderful. I hope you're doing great in life. I hope you're doing everything you dreamed of. I hope you're accomplishing all your goals. I hope you're doing great in school if you're in school. I hope you're happy. I hope your skin is glowing. I hope you're drinking your water. I hope you're staying positive. I hope you're in tune with your inner self, your inner beauty. I hope you know that you're beautiful for you, and I hope you know that you're everything and that you're very much so capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I just want y'all to know that. That's coming from your girl, okay? Oh. Now we're gonna put this one on. Now, ain't no promises that this gonna go on right, okay? So place it in the middle, then put it on the side. Oh man. This is a lot harder than you think it is, okay? I feel so bad. Like, I feel like, okay, I'm done now. I know it look a little weird. I got a little gap right there, but you can't tell from all the way back here. Can you? Can you? No, no, you can't. So, check me out. Look, now, it ain't the best, but for it to be my first time, I think I did very good. Check me out. But check me out. Period. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, and subscribe below. If you aren't subscribed, you gotta subscribe. But you don't leave this video without subscribing, okay? Come back and be subscribed, okay? And until next time, pretty gang. Oh. And everybody who did subscribe to me, who are subscribed to me, who watch me, support me, I got nothing but love for y'all, man. I wouldn't be who I am or where I am with this YouTube thing if it wasn't for y'all. Y'all also shape who I am and my growth. So I want to say thank you to all of you guys who subscribe to my channel. Thank you to God. Thank y'all. And until next time, pretty gang.